Introduction. Brief overview of Karl Marx's life, work, and influence. Explanation of why he was considered the wise with references to global ideological splits, capitalism, communism. Part 1. The life of Karl Marx, early life and education in Detroit, Germany. Introduction of the philosophy and economics, collaboration with Friedrich and Engels and their pivotal works, the Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. Part 2. Marx's core idea, historical materialism, the theory of the societal development based on material conditions, class struggle, explanation of the conflict between the bourgeoisie and proletariat, and critique of the capitalism, analysis of surplus value, exploitation and alienation, vision of the communism and stateless classes society as the end goal, and part the 3. Why Marx is the devices and impact on the 20th century, the role of Marxist ideas in shaping revolution, e.g. the Russian Revolution, Chinese Communist Revolution, the divide between Western capitalism and Eastern socialism, and during the Cold War, philosophical and criticism of the liberal and conservative and anarchist thinkers, debate about determinism, agency and practicality, and practical and outcomes, success and failures of Marxist inspired government, youth right abuse and authoritarian regimes, often socialist with the Marxist ideology, and part for modern revival of interest in Marx's idea due to racism, inequality, and global and capitalism in crisis. The role of the Marxist thought in contemporary and movement, e.g. critiques of the neoliberalism, environmentalism, or labor rights. Continue a popularization in academic, political, and cultural discussion. Consolation. Reflection on Karl Marx's enduring influence. Debate on whether he should be celebrated for his critique of capitalism or the criticized for the legacy or Marxism in the practice. Final question: does Marx remain relevant in the world today? Global challenges. Production note: use historical footage, animation, and dramatization to the visualize key moment of Marx's life, including expert interview with philosophers, economists, and historians. Incorporate voice from both supporter and critics to provide a balanced view. Would you like help with a script production course or even a visual idea for this documentaries? Karl Marx and died on March 1883 in the London, England. At the age of 64, his health had been deteriorating for years due to various ailments, including bronchitis and pleurisy. These conditions were exacerbated by the years of the poverty, constant stress and overwork. Final days, in his later years, and Marx became increasingly withdrawn due to the loss of the several family members, including his wife Jenny von Westenfalen and several of their children. His personal studies and chronic health problems made him less active in his revolutionary and intellectual endeavors. And burial and Marx was buried in the Highgate Cemetery in London. His grave was originally a simple one, but in 1954 the Communist Party of the Great Britain installed a large memorial with a bust, Marx, and the famous inscription "Work of all Inland Unit" below it. Another quote from his thesis: "These on favorite page read the philosopher. He only interpreted the word in the widest way. To the point, however, is the to change legacy after death, and despite his death, Marx ideas against traction and influence and revolutionary and movement worldwide, particularly in the 20th century. The ideology battles and sparked by his work between capitalism and socialism and cemented his status as one of history most pluralism and impact thinker. Would you like this now more about the eventful death of his Buren? After his death, Karl Marx didn't go to anywhere in a literal sense, as he passed away and was buried. However, if you asking a more philosophical or metaphorical way to it can be interpreted differently, and legacy and influence. Marx lives on through his idea most profoundly influence in political, economic and social and thought. His work became the foundation of various ideology and movement and revolution worldwide, from the Bolshevik and revolution in Russia to the modern critiques of the capitalism, culture and intellectual and presence and Marx influence and transcend is the physical life, as his theory are still discussion and debate and applied in the academic and political and economic and context. For many, his idea remain relevant, particularly in the discussion about inequality, labor and globalism. You are pondering where Marx and spirit or essence when that more matter of the personal belief. Some might suggest he won't be a part of his history, while others might interpret this through spiritual religious of the frameworks. Let me know why you exploring the question from a specific and perspective. Wives. Karl Marx had one wife, Jenny von Westphalen. They married in 1840 1843, after a long courtship, and Jenny came from wealthy aristocratic family, and union was considered unconventional because Mark was from a middle class background. Jenny remained devoted to Marx throughout their tumultuous life by poverty and political exile. Children called Mark and Jenny had 7 children, but tragically only 3 survived into adulthood due to the poor living conditions they often endured. Their children were Jenny Caroline Marx and Jenny Clara Marx and Charles Louis Henry, aged 40, 1847 and 1855. Henry Edward Gus Mark, 1849, 1815. Jenny Evan Franch Marx, 1851, 1852. Jenny Dolia Eleanor Marx, 1815, 1898. A son who died short after birth in 1957. Unnamed. The surviving and daughter Jenny Caroline, Jenny Laura, and Eleanor, and played active role in the promoting their father's legacy. Was Mark in the love with himself? Someone else. Mark was deeply in love with Jenny von Westerplan, as evidenced by the romantic letter the exchange throughout their relationship. Despite their struggle, they had a close, and however there were a complication in his personal life. Helen DeMoth, the family is long-time housekeeper, is a son named Frederick, and report it widely believed that Mark fathered these children, though the matter was kept secret, and Friedrich Engels publicly looked to responsibility for the child to the protect Mark's reputation. Marx was not in love with himself in narcissistic sense. His passion was primarily for work and idea. He was intensely focused on his writing, and the revolution was often to the detriment of his health and family life. His dedication to his work and sometimes made his neglectful of the personal and security effects. His wife and children endured work. You like further detail about a relationship with Jenny or his family? Photo or portrait of the Karl Marx and wide available since he is a well documented historical figure, and photo during his was limited. Most of what a hand of photographic engraving and paint portrait. Here you can find image of Karl Marx online sources, Public Archive, and the museum website like the British Library. Marx Memorial Life often feature historical photo of Marx. Highgate Cemetery here is bride may also have images and description. Wikipedia in Common. Wikipedia in Common has a collection of the public and demand image of Marx clothing, photograph and portrait, historical documentary and books about Karl Marx, such as biography or historical account of the socialism of, including photo artist and rendition of the hymn. University of Archive academic institution with the historical philosophical collection may be have digitize and archive including image of Mark's physical location, Highgate Cement, London, UK. Visit Mark's gravest, which and feature his famous first try Germany. Mark's birthplace, a museum called Max House dedicated to his life and work and containing portrait and artifact. Would you like? Link to the online archive or suggestion on the suggestion for the specifics. You can find numerous photo and portrait of the Karl Marx. Wikipedia common and free media repository and platform includes both photograph and artistic representation of the marks and which are available for the public use under various license are some useful category to explore. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.